Today at Mobility Solutions, we're leaving the shop and going out on a service call with Scott just to document a failure we've never seen before on an Acorn Stairlift.
All right, what we got here looked to be a catastrophic failure. Exactly how it happened, I couldn't tell you. But what has happened is all the screws that were holding in this rat gear have sheared off. And it was a ride, I heard. And this is a new one on me. I've never seen a failure like this. But we're gonna take it out and install a better unit. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push this thing up here and see if I can get it to hit that rat gear. And I might be able to get this thing off without destroying everything. Look at this. That's ridiculous. All right. We're going to be able to get this thing off of the top, so that's a good thing. This is the new pilot, Merrick's pilot. Once you get up to the top, just lift up the handle, swing out.
So we can't explain exactly how this catastrophic failure occurred, but it's important to remind you to get your equipment checked periodically. We are here to help you. Just give us a call at 803-926-2224. Oh, and if you have any ideas as to how this failure may have occurred, comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.